Coastal Kennedy, Coastal Willacy, Inland Cameron, Inland Kennedy, Inland Willacy, Jim Hog, Northern Hidalgo, Southern Hidalgo, Star, in Zapata. Through early Thursday afternoon, widespread and slow-moving moderate to heavy rainfall will continue across the region through midday Thursday. This may result in additional rainfall of 1 to 2 inches with isolated higher amounts of 3 to 4 inches or more. Heavy rainfall in a short period of time will cause small streams and arroyos to fill quickly to bankfull, possibly resulting in overflowing. Low-lying and poorly draining areas as well as urban locations could see widespread street flooding with water depth up to 3 to 4 feet. Locations that saw the heaviest rainfall today could quickly see a return to life-threatening flooding. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has extended the flood warning for urban areas and small streams in southeastern Hidalgo County in deep South Texas, northwestern Cameron County in deep South Texas, until 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. At 7:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, emergency management. A marine weather statement has been issued for the following areas. Coastal waters from Port Mansfield, Texas to the Rio Grande River out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Baton Bay to Port Mansfield, Texas from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Port Mansfield, Texas to the Rio Grande River from 20 to 60 nautical miles. At 8:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated strong thunderstorms, capable of producing winds to around 30 knots and cloud-to-water lightning. These thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 40 nautical miles northeast of Port Mansfield to 11 nautical miles east of South Padre Island, moving east at 5 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds to around 30 knots, locally higher waves, and lightning strikes. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Port Mansfield, Texas to the Rio Grande River out 20 nautical miles, waters from Baton Bay to Port Mansfield, Texas from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from Port Mansfield, Texas to the Rio Grande River from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 50 nautical miles northeast of Port Mansfield to 14 nautical miles southeast of South Padre Island, moving east at around 5 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include West Laco, Alamo, Donna, Mercedes, Elsa, Progreso, Ed Couch, La Villa, Harville, and West Laco Mid-Valley Airport. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Here's your national. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Hidalgo County in deep South Texas until 4:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:13 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that... in Brownsville has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Cameron County in deep South Texas, western Willacy County in deep South Texas, until 4:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1 o'clock a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Harlingen, Raymondville, La Feria, Santa Rosa, Lyford, Palm Valley, Los Indios, Lazara, Rangerville, and Santa Maria. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.